So, hey there, this is another video of me telling you what actually goes into my mind all the time in my life during this JEE preparation. So, here I am with another thing, and is that key in the morning I have realized that there is only a little time is there for the January JEE attempt, right? And it's so obvious that if you are an aspirant to watching this video, you must have developed those anxiety feelings and many things like, right? But what I want to say here is that key today in the afternoon only, I don't know from where I just had this thought in myself that like what's the actual limit of something. Like, see, there is always a deadline. If you are working in a company, so your client must like you must have a deadline with your client, right? That you have to work in that like particular days, and after that you have to submit that work to somebody, right? But when it comes to dreams and when it comes to actually like having those aims in your life and actually moving further in your life for that one dream, what does that deadline means? Does it mean only 3 months for the January attempt, or do I have to count those 90 days, or let's say more than 90 days, I guess, for the January attempt? So I guess this is what our mind always tell us, that we kept on telling ourselves that there is so much less time remain and you won't be able to do that. Why? Because there are so many people like you, the people of your age who has been studying, who has been preparing since like 3 years, let's say, right? As I've just started preparing for this year's only. I guess it's hardly been 4 months actually. So that thought, what actually clicked in my mind is that key we always decide our deadlines, right? If I'll start today only, though we up to the exam, I'll able to cover the whole thing, right? If I'll stay positive from inside, if I'll stay calm from inside, right? Like, just giving you an example, when I was in my class 9th standard, we went to school after the half COVID era, right? So there was nearly like semester one and semester two, term one and term two examination. In our school, there was things like that, right? So they were like nearly, we went to school near the Diwali only, and there was the second term examination was there, and in the first term, like many of the people did cheating and ठीक है जो भी हो हमें क्या उससे ठीक है. तो I went to school, and as I was the topper of my class, I didn't score well in the very first test we had in our school. And a randomly invigilator came into our class and told the teacher that she has something, she is something. Like, see, because when I was like when I was invigilating the class, she was writing her exam in that particular class. She didn't move her hand, and she didn't discuss anything with anyone. So I guess she must be the like must be the most sincere one, right? And at that time, my class teacher like replied to that man, नॉट इन दैट लाइक नेगेटिव सेंस, बट जस्ट वो ऐसा होता है ना, तुम्हारा पोटेंशियल तुम्हें बताने के लिए. ही टोल्ड हिम कि हाँ, बच्ची तो अच्छी है पर अभी तो टॉप 10 में भी नहीं आई, राइट? अब वो चीज़ मुझे लिटरली हिट करी, और बहुत सारी चीज़ें थी कलीग से भी, सॉरी नॉट कलीग्स, क्लासमेट से भी इतना सपोर्ट नहीं था. तो मेरे मन में था यार कि इन्हें प्रूव करना है, ठीक है. तो मतलब मैंने वो 3 महीने ऐसी मेहनत किया है ना, इतना हार्ड वर्क किया है. लाइक, तुम हंसोगे यार, 9th में कौन हार्ड वर्क करता है, बट ठीक है, वो मन में था, वो फायर थी. तो 3 महीने बहुत रोई हूँ कि यार होगा नहीं, होगा नहीं, होगा नहीं. मतलब मेरे लिए ना टॉप 3 में आना वॉज इम्पॉसिबल. बट मैं कुछ भी करके रो गा के आई स्टडीड हार्ड, और आई केम सेकेंड इन माई क्लास. फर्स्ट से सिर्फ आई गेस 3 या 4 मार्क्स ही पीछे थी, बट ठीक है. तो बताइए, आज आफ्टरनून में आई हैव रियलाइज्ड कि it's never too late for you, right? If you just think that you can start today, you can actually start today, and you can still get there what you're thinking, right? For that, you have to struggle a lot, you have to give up your things a lot, right? तुम्हें करना पड़ेगा, right? But if you really want to get somewhere after some time and you are actually thinking that समय चले गया, अब कोई टाइम नहीं है हमारे पास, क्या करेंगे, so just don't think like this. Just start today, start working today. Make your mind think like you still have time for that one thing, and just keep on moving further in your life. Just keep on moving ahead in your life in order to grow yourself, in order to feel proud on yourself that you actually did that one dream possible within those 3 months only. See, this is not something I'm like flaunting or something like that. No, I'm just telling you the thing कि हम कल क्या होगा वो we all don't know about that, right? But we can aspire today, right? We can just have that feeling today that we will achieve it, right? So that thing will give you confidence in life, and that thing will give you that hope of always moving ahead in your life. So this is all for this video. I just thought to tell you this thing, so I'm here and I told you. Thank you for watching.